time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Most aspirants would have attempted this particular topic. Section B में मुझे लगता है ये सबसे आसान topic था. Now the discussion that you must have is why? Why is the time repair best when the sun is shining? Sun is shining, okay, means there is resource. Sun is shining means that you are strong. Sun is shining means there are alternatives. Sun is shining means you are not in distress. Okay. Sun is shining means you can think more clearly. That is why you must invest in repairing, in rectifying. You must invest in thinking about the future and setting the course right. So, iska opposite kya hai? That when good times happen, most of us get complacent. When we have good times, most of us become lazy. When we have good times, we do not introspect. When we have good times, we are not examining our weaknesses. This topic says that this is the wrong thing to do. So the counter position is when the sun is not shining, that is when we start getting worried. The sun is not shining, that is when we start questioning. Okay, when the sun is not shining, that is where we want to do all the rectifications. That is the human nature. I mean, look at our economic reforms. The reforms happened when we were in trouble. Look at our history of industrial restructuring. It happened when problem in balance of payment. But if you're wise, you will do the opposite. When you are in good times, when you are growing well, when you are thriving, that is when you get into examining, you get into questioning, you get into rectifying your mistakes, you get into a zone where you acquire more skills rather than become complacent. So this topic is a challenge to this idea that in good times, you should not be lazy. In good times, you should not be complacent. So the good times is when you actually do the repair work and you clinically address the shortcomings. तो मुझे लगता है ये भी काफी आसान टॉपिक था. So that's why I said most of the students would have attempted topic number 4 and topic number 5. Okay.